This one estimated age 600 to 1,000 years. Oh my God. 600 to 1,000 years. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Unbelievable. My God, grabe, mabuhi din ng 1,000 years. How about you? 40 to 50 years. 40 to 50 years. Okay. How about you? How long have you been here on Earth? 45 to 50 years. Japanese larch. Oh. Ah, so never ever touch. Kalit mo alarm na kalit. This one. How long have you been here on Earth? 75 to 80 years. Olea europaca. European olive. Oh. Bonsai. My goodness. How about you? Nice color. Estimated 90 to 100 years. Grape myrtle. Grape myrtle. Oh, cute. Oh, there's a bird up there. Hi, how are you, birdie? How are you, birdie? Okay, let me see. Oh, estimated 45 to 50 years. Intermediate hue. Windsweep. Oh, birdie. Then let's go there. How about you? How long have you been here? Estimated 45 to 50 years. Korean hornbeam. Style is forest. Forest style. Forest style. You can see it. It's like there's a lot of forest in there. Oh wow, nice bonsai. Estimated 35 to 45 years. Common juniper. Cascade. Cascade. Oh, grabe day, no? Mas long life pa ang bonsai kaysa nagalaga. Yeah, kaya abutos lang 1,000 years. Yeah. This, how long have you been here? Oh, 80 to 90 years. Oh, the one that planted you maybe have gone so long. They have just maybe passed a long time ago. Chichigenko. Kato siya mo inindot, oh. Kani, oh. Indutan, eh. Wow. Wow, amazing. You're so amazing. Estimated age 40 to 50 years. Bald cypress. Oh, cypress. Let's see here. How are you here, my dear? Oh wow. Another bonsai. Okay, how long have you been here? 55 to 65 years. Japanese beach. Informal upright. Ah, okay. Japanese bonsai.